In a vast banana plantation, rain falls on thousands of glisten on the leaves and fruit clusters. A worker approaches, tool in hand, ready for the harvest. Modern methods meet nature's abundance. In a rainy musa plantation, the harvest begins. The worker positions the hydraulic cutter. A clean, precise cut ensures quality. The bunch is lowered gently for transport. In the rainy mango orchard, trees sway as ripe fruit glistens on the branches. A worker uses a mechanical picker and safety harness to carefully harvest the mangoes. Now, the harvested fruit is then transported by an electric vehicle. In the rain-soaked mango orchard, workers use modern tools to harvest the fruit with precision. Ripe mangoes, glistening with roy damage. The harvest is collected and transported efficiently, even in wet conditions. In the misty orchard, workers harvest Malus domestica apples by hand to prevent bruising. Each apple is carefully clipped and placed in a padded basket. This ensures quality in damp conditions. The apples are then transferred to wooden crates for transport. In a cherry orchard, ripe fruit is gathered by gentle mechanical systems. Adjacent, workers harvest cauliflower with precise clean cuts. Finally, under protective covers, bell peppers are collected, completing the cycle. In this controlled greenhouse, Solanum lycopersicum tomatoes grow protected from the rain. Ripe red tomatoes are carefully twisted from the vines by hand. They are then placed on a conveyor belt for sorting. Capsicum annuum bell peppers are harvested manually with precision tools during light rainfall, ensuring freshness and minimal crop damage. In wet conditions, precision harvesting prevents soil contamination. A clean cut at the base protects the crop. The harvest is then crated for Prunus avium cherries are harvested using vibration-based mechanical systems designed to protect fruit quality even during light rainfall. Under a rain shelter, diverse crops like bananas, mangoes, apples, and vegetables are prepared for transport. Crops are labeled and loaded onto an electric vehicle for efficient distribution. In this rainy orchard, Citrus sinensis oranges are hand-harvested to protect their peel integrity and juice quality for premium distribution. The fruit is carefully clipped and packed into crates on a covered trailer, ready for market. Fragarius ananassa strawberries are harvested manually to prevent bruising, especially during damp field conditions requiring careful handling. Rain-soaked Vitis vinifera vines. Harvesting here requires precision. Sharp shears protect the cluster structure. Each bunch is carefully placed to maintain premium quality. Solanum tuberosum potatoes are extracted using mechanized harvesters, combining efficiency with careful inspection to ensure consistent crop quality. Solanum tuberosum potatoes are extracted using mechanized harvesters, combining efficiency with careful inspection to ensure consistent crop quality. Here, the mechanical harvester moves through the wet field, lifting the soil. Potatoes are revealed and carried onto the sorting conveyor. Workers inspect the potato, placing them into storage sacks. This process ensures efficient, high-quality harvesting. Solanum tuberosum potatoes are extracted using mechanized harvesters, combining efficiency with careful inspection to ensure consistent crop quality. Oryza sativa rice cultivation continues even during rainfall, with mechanized systems assisting farmers in maintaining consistent harvest cycles. In the damp embrace of rain, Helianthus annua stands resilient. A closer look reveals rain's delicate persistence on each petal, the mechanical harvest a testament to agricultural ingenuity. In the rain, allium cepa onions are lifted from the softened soil. The bulbs are carefully handled to prevent damage. They are then sorted onto a conveyor and packed into ventilated crates. Allium cepa onions are harvested with care from the softened, rain-soaked soil. The bulbs are gently lifted, keeping the roots and soil intact. They are then sorted and placed into ventilated crates for storage. Lactuca sativa lettuce is harvested manually to preserve leaf integrity and freshness, especially important in wet field conditions. Vaccinium corymbosum blueberries are harvested carefully to prevent crushing, maintaining premium export quality even in rainy weather. In this controlled greenhouse, basil and coriander thrive in humid conditions. Most herbs harvested again with care aroma, using sharp scissors to trim the stems. The herbs are packaged fresh, ready for market. Modern combines allow for an efficient harvest of Zea mays, even in damp conditions. The machine's mechanism separates the kernels from the stalks. The grain is then storage container, ready for transport. Zea mays corn is harvested using mechanized combine systems, ensuring efficient grain separation even during damp weather conditions. In damp conditions, modern combine systems ensure efficient grain separation. The harvester cuts and threshes the stalks, separating the kernels. The clean grain flows into the storage container for collection. Cucumis sativus cucumbers are harvested inside climate-controlled greenhouse environments to maintain consistent shape, color, and hydration. Inside this climate-controlled greenhouse, Cucumis sativus cucumbers grow on hanging vines. Workers use sharp tools to cucumbers. The harvest cucumbers hydrates are carefully placed into crates for transport. Prunus persica peaches are hand-picked with gentle twisting motion to prevent bruising and preserve delicate skin texture during moist weather. In the damp soil, carrots are gently extracted by hand, preserving their form. Mechanical lifters then harvest rows, ensuring a consistent, high quality and shape before sorting. In wet conditions, the lamacas registbrand defemet. The avocados are then gently attached in padded crates for transport. This method maintains the premium quality of the harvest. Ananas camosus pineapples are harvested manually using sharp cutting tools, ensuring crown preservation and fruit integrity in humid weather. A sea of wheat, heavy with grain, sways in the wind. The combine begins its work, cutting the crop. Grain pours into the trailer, a testament to the efficiency of modern farming. In the damp tropical orchard, workers carefully harvest ripe papayas by hand. A long tool detaches the fruit, which papayas are placed into padded crates to prevent bruising. This ensures quality in the rainy conditions. In the rain-soaked field, cabbages are harvested with care. Each stem is cut with a swift, clean slice. The heads are stacked firmly in crates, preserving quality. In the rainy logistics area, crates of grapes, peaches, and avocados are stacked and labeled for shipment. Workers load the crates onto an electric vehicle, which then departs for the market. Psidium guajava guavas are harvested manually to maintain fruit firmness and prevent bruising during damp orchard conditions. In rainy fields, Solanum melongena eggplants are harvested with sharp tools to preserve their glossy quality and premium shape. The precise cuts maintain the eggplant's shine and form for market. In the vast field, watermelons ripen on sprawling vines. The fruit is cut from the vine with care. Each one is handled gently to prevent any damage. They're loaded for transport, fresh from the field. In a rainy spinach field, the harvest demands care to keep the leaves fresh and free of soil. Workers trim each bunch at the base, bundling them into breathable crates. This preserves quality, even in wet conditions. The processing begins as fresh carrots and lettuce move along the conveyor belt, being thoroughly rinsed by high-pressure water jets, while carrots are sorted. Finally, cucumbers and other produce are packed into crates for distribution. Prunus dulcis almonds are harvested using controlled tree-shaking machinery, allowing nuts to fall onto clean tarps for efficient collection. Actinidia deliciosa kiwis are hand-harvested under humid conditions to maintain skin texture and internal sweetness for export markets. Sugarcane, or Saccharum officinarum, is harvested using specialized machinery that cuts and processes stalks efficiently during overcast weather. In the damp orchard, rain-soaked pomegranates demand careful harvesting. The worker uses shears to protect the delicate skin and arils. Gently, the fruits are placed into padded crates. Palletized mixed crops are organized for inspection and shipment. Export labels and barcodes ensure precise tracking and quality control. The forklift loads pallets into the refrigerated truck. The truck departs for distribution, maintaining freshness. In the damp mango orchard, workers use long poles to carefully pick the ripe fruit. The fruit is then gently placed into padded crates and preserve quality. This method safeguards the harvest during the rainy season. Solanum lycopersicum tomatoes are cultivated in climate-controlled greenhouses, harvested manually to maintain uniform ripeness and texture. The tomatoes are then sorted for distribution. Under an overcast sky, the barley field sways, heavy with grain. A combine harvester moves through the crop, cutting and threshing. The golden grain flows into the trailer, completing the harvest. In this rainy orchard, hand-picking Malus domestica apples prevents bruising, preserving their quality and freshness. This careful method ensures the apple's skin and internal freshness are maintained during the harvest. Inside these vast cold storage racks, harvested crops are preserved at optimal temperatures. Gyrocliff move paletigish or mark condition to loading dock. Refrigerated trucks are in vast fields. Spindle pickers extract cotton bolls at scale. The harvester's spindles rotate, drawing fibers into the machine. It moves in precise lines, compressing cotton into modules. Modules are then loaded for transport. High-capacity harvesters dig up the potatoes, separating them from the damp soil on vibrating conveyors. The clean potatoes are then transferred directly into a moving truck, streamlining the entire harvest. Tracked combines navigate wet fields, cutting rice with precision. Inside, the threshing drum and sieves separate the grain. An auger then unloads the clean grain into a trailer. This efficient system handles wet terrain with ease. A mobile platform navigates the field, its arms extending to harvest. Candle grippers select and pick the berries with precision. The harvest moves along a conveyor for sorting and inspection. Finally, an automated system packages the strawberries for market. Towering grain silos stand ready. The backbone of the false-rated elevator system lifts grain with precision. Hydraulic controls then direct the flow of grain. Finally, a semi-truck is loaded for transport. GPS-guided combines navigate the field with precision. The header's snapping rolls cleanly harvest the ears. Inside, a high-speed system separates the grain. The auger unloads into the truck, syncing the workflow. The robotic harvester moves steadily through the fields. Precision blades trim the lettuce heads. A conveyor transports the harvest to the packager. The produce is sealed and stacked for transport. The over-the-row harvester advances, its rods shaking the bushes. Ripe berries fall gently, landing in collection trays below. On the conveyor, berries are sorted as leaves are removed. Finally, the harvest is transferred into the truck. The harvester advances along GPS lines, its belts gripping the carrots. The roots are pulled from the soil, rollers separate the soil and trim the tops. Cleaned carrots are then loaded into the trailer. In this facility, citrus sinensis oranges are sorted by optical grading systems. Robotic arms then package the graded fruit into export cartons. Finally, forklifts load the sealed cartons into refrigerated trucks for distribution. This autonomous tractor uses satellite GPS to follow precise paths, tilling with zero human input. Its blades churn the earth in perfect rows, ensuring even preparation for planting. AI technology makes farming more efficient and sustainable. An AI drone scans the soybean field, collecting vital data. Its sensors adjust, preparing for detailed analysis. Thermal imaging reveals crop health in real time. The drone lands, syncing data for optimal yields. The smart system monitors soil moisture and automatically adjusts water distribution with digital precision. Sensors detect moisture levels, and the control panel optimizes flow for sustainable farming. The autonomous platform navigates the field, its robotic arms precisely cutting and collecting the broccoli heads. An onboard conveyor sorts the harvest, which is then loaded into an electric transport vehicle. This command center is the brain of our smart farm, coordinating every aspect of operations. Real-time analytics optimize irrigation and predict yields with high accuracy, enhancing efficiency and sustainability. Autonomous tractors and robotic arms harvest banana clusters with precision, load them into electric carts, ensuring zero damage and full mechanization. High-tech mechanical harvesters pick cherries with care, protecting fruit integrity, and deposit them into crates for immediate transport. Robotic harvesters use hydraulic precision to gently pick citrus fruits from the trees. The fruits are then transported on conveyor belts to sorting crates. This automated process maintains high-speed efficiency in the harvest. Advanced robotics harvest grapes efficiently while minimizing damage, ensuring smooth transport onto cushioned conveyor systems. Autonomous harvesters move through the orchard. Their arms handle each apple with precision, ensuring no bruising. The fruit travels down cushioned chutes into crates, maintaining quality. The system enables efficient, large-scale harvesting. In this vast orchard, mechanical harvesters work efficiently, their robotic arms precisely detaching ripe mangoes. The fruit is gently placed into cushioned carts, preserving to the processing area. In the vast fields, mechanized harvesters advance with precision. Robotic blades cut the fruit from the base. Conveyor belts then transport the harvest safely. The fruit-filled carts head to storage, streamlining the process. Robotic harvesters efficiently navigate the orchard, their claws gently detaching ripe papayas. The fruit rolls down cushioned slides into crates, preventing bruising. This automation scales to large orchards, ensuring a perfect harvest. High-tech robotic harvesters navigate the orchard, targeting their precision snippers detach the fruit, minimizing any damage. The lychees are gently loaded into carts. The carts move the harvest to the processing area, ensuring freshness. Automated harvesters move through the orchard, their arms extending with precision. Robotic snippers detach the clusters, minimizing amputation. The fruit is carefully placed into collection carts. The carts transport the harvest for processing. In this guava orchard, robotic harvesters work with precision, picking ripe fruit to optimize with a gentle twist. The fruit lands softly on cushioned conveyors, preserving quality. The entire orchard operates in synchronized efficiency. Here, robotic harvesters are at work, cutting and collecting ripe banana bunches. The arms carefully cut the stems, ensuring minimal damage to the fruit. The bunches slide down cushioned chutes into crates for safe transport. In this high-tech mango orchard, robotic harvesters operate with precision. Their claws detach ripe mangoes with minimal force. The fruits are gently placed into cushioned carts to prevent bruising. Then, they are transported for processing. In vast tropical fields, robotic harvesters revolutionize pineapple farming. Precision blades make clean cuts at the base. Conveyor belts transport the fruit to carts. These carts carry the harvest to storage. Robotic harvesters carefully pick ripe papayas, sliding them into cushioned crates to prevent bruising. This technology reduces waste and increases efficiency in agricultural operations. High-tech robotic harvesters carefully pick lychee clusters, minimizing fruit damage while efficiently transporting them. High-tech robotic harvesters pick ripe oranges with precision and transport them safely to prevent bruising. In this orchard, robotic harvesters work with precision, carefully detaching apples to avoid any into cushioned crates for transport to the processing area. This automated process ensures efficiency. Robotic harvesters move efficiently along the rows. Precision cutters trim the ripe clusters. The grapes fall gently into cushioned baskets. The baskets are transported for processing. Autonomous robotic harvesters navigate the orchard. Delicate grippers gently harvest ripe cherries. The fruit is placed into cushioned crates for protection. Crate transport is automated, streamlining the process. Robotic harvesters move through the orchard, carefully targeting ripe lychee clusters. The robotic arm extends and clips the cluster with precision. The fruit falls gently into cushioned baskets, ready for transport. Robotic harvesters navigate the orchard, their sensors guiding the claws touch each mango with precision, minimizing damage to the trees. The ripe mangoes fall gently into cushioned crates and rows, protected its area, ready for the next stage. These robotic harvesters carefully pick ripe guavas, minimizing damage to the fruit and the trees. The fruit is gently placed into cushioned crates and transported and increases efficiency and reduces waste. High-tech robotic harvesters pick papayas with care, preventing damage while efficiently transporting them. Robotic harvesters pick plums carefully to prevent bruising and transport them safely to crates. The system gently detaches the ripe fruit, preserving its quality. Automated harvesters navigate the orchard. Their sensors, mechanical arms detach the peaches with gentle precision. The fruit is placed safely into cushioned crates below. The crates are then transported for packing. Robotic harvesters navigate the orchard, their arms extending to gently pick ripe fruit. The apples are placed in to prevent bruising. The crates are then transported efficiently for processing. Robotic harvesters navigate the orchard, their arms extending. Fruit is handled gently, landing softly in cushioned crates. The crates are then transported to the processing area, showcasing the efficiency of automation. Robotic harvesters move through the orchard, identifying ripe fruit. Their claws carefully detach the oranges without damage. The fruit is gently placed into cushioned crates for collection. The crates are then transported for processing. These robotic harvesters navigate the orchard with precision. The grippers pick the fruit with care, avoiding damage. The lemons are placed gently into cushioned crates. The crates are then transported to the packing area. In this vast pineapple plantation, robotic harvesters navigate the fields. Their arms carefully detach each ripe pineapple from the plant. The fruit is then placed into cushioned crates for protection. Finally, the crates are transported to the packing area. In vast pineapple fields, robotic harvesters move with precision. Their arms detach the ripe fruit with minimal damage. The pineapples are carefully placed into cushioned crates. The crates are then transported for packing. In this sunlit orchard, robotic harvesters navigate the rows. The robotic grippers carefully detach the fruit, preserving its quality. The mangoes fall into soft cushioned crates, preventing any bruising. The crates are then transported to the processing area for sorting. In a modern papaya plantation, robotic harvesters navigate the rows with precision. Their arms extend to carefully detach the ripes are gently placed into cushioned crates. The crates are then transported to the packing area. In this vineyard, robotic harvesters move between the rows. Their arms delicately pluck the ripe grape clusters. The grapes are gently placed into cushioned crates. They are then transported to the packing area. Robotic harvesters pick strawberries carefully and transport them safely to the processing area. High-tech robotic harvesters pick ripe blueberries carefully and transport them efficiently to the packing area. These robotic harvesters move efficiently between the trees. Their armors handle each apple delicately, preserving its quality. Apples fall into cushioned crates, minimizing any bruising. The crates are then transported to the packing area. In the orchard, robotic harvesters navigate the rows. Their sensor-scanning arms extend to pluck the oranges with care. The fruit is collected in crates, ready for transport. They move to the packing area, beginning the next phase. Robotic harvesters move through the plantation, targeting ripe bunches. A precise cut detaches the bunch, which is gently lowered. The bananas land softly in a crate, minimizing damage. Crate transport systems efficiently move the harvest to processing. Robotic harvesters navigate the orchard, their sensors guiding them to the ripe fruit. With precision, the grippers pluck the cherries, minimizing gentry in cushioned crates below. The crates are then transported for processing. In a mixed orchard, robotic harvesters move efficiently, using gentle grippers to pick ripe mangoes and papayas. The fruits are placed into crates, then transported to the processing area with minimal handling. In a modern apple orchard, robotic harvesters move between the trees. Their arms pick the ripe red apples. The fruit lands gently into cushioned crates, preventing bruising. The crates are then transported to the packing area. Automated harvesters navigate the orchard, efficiently plucking ripe fruit. Robotic arms make precise, gentle movements to avoid damaging the fruit. The oranges are collected in crates and transported for processing. Robotic harvesters navigate the plantation to pick ripe bananas. Mechanical arms carefully cut and lower each bunch. Bunches are collected in crates and transported for processing. Robotic harvesters move through the orchard, their arms extending to pick ripe cherries. Grippers detach the fruit with care. The cherries are gently collected in cushioned crates. The crates are then transported for packing. Robotic harvesters move through the orchard, targeting ripe fruit. Gentle grippers detach and collect each mango. Mangoes are placed into crates without bruising. The crates are then transported to the packing area. High-tech robotic harvesters pick pineapples carefully and transport them efficiently. Robotic harvesters navigate the orchard, targeting ripe peaches. Gentle grippers pluck the fruit without damage. The peaches are placed softly into cushioned crates. The crates are then transported for packing. In this plum orchard, robotic harvesters move efficiently between trees, their arms extending to pick the ripe fruit. The plums are handled with care and deposited to crates below. The crates are then transported to a central processing area. Robotic harvesters move through the vineyard, precisely cutting ripe grape clusters. The arms work with care, minimizing damage to the fruit. Clusters are gently deposited into crates below. The crates are then transported for processing. Robotic harvesters navigate the orchard, precisely picking ripe kiwis. The robotic arms carefully detach the fruits. Kiwis are placed into crates, then transported to the processing area. In a sunlit kiwi orchard, robotic harvesters navigate the vines with precision. Their arms extend, carefully picking ripe fruits. The kiwis land gently in collection crates. The crates are then transported for processing. In a modern cherry orchard, robotic harvesters move through the trees, picking fruit with precision. The arms extend, plucking ready into crates. The crates are then transported for processing, showcasing efficient automation. High-tech robotic harvesters move through the orchard rows. Their arms extend to pick the ripe mangoes. The fruit is placed gently into collection crates. The crates are then transported for processing. Robotic harvesters move through the orchard. Mechanical arms gently twist and pick the apples, minimizing damage. The fruit is placed carefully into crates below. The crates are then transported for sorting and packing. Autonomous harvesters move through the field, their arms extending to grasp ripe peppers. Grippers carefully detach the fruit. Conveyors transport the harvest to bins, minimizing drops. The bins are then transported to the packing area. In vast fields, robotic harvesters move through the rows. The grippers detach ripe tomatoes gently from the vines. The fruit lands safely in crates, ready for transport. A seamless journey from field to processing. In this high-tech kitchen, fruits like apples, cherries, and mangoes or precision machinery slices them, preparing for service. The pieces are packed into crates for serving. Finally, small vehicles transport the crates across the kitchen. Workers and chefs taste fresh fruits while machines continue slicing and preparing the fruits for further use. The integration of technology ensures optimal flavor and efficiency. This process highlights the future of culinary innovation. High-tech machinery slices fresh fruits with precision. A powerful press extracts pure, fresh juice. Fresh slices and juice are served to the staff. Small carts transport the products efficiently. On conveyor belts, fresh fruits move steadily for initial sorting. Workers skillfully peel and slice the fruits with precision. Sliced fruits are loaded onto trolleys for delivery. Trolleys transport the prepared fruits across the kitchen. In this high-tech kitchen, fresh fruits are processed with precision and efficiency. Automated systems slice and juice the produce, streamlining the workflow. Workers transport the goods to stations for final preparation. In this high-tech facility, modern machinery slices and washes fresh produce with precision. Workers monitor quality at every stage. Sliced fruits and vegetables are arranged on trays and transported efficiently. This streamlined process, conveyor belts transport fresh fruits to slicing stations. High-tech machines slice and peel the fruits. Workers arrange the prepared fruits into trays. A trolley transports the fruits to serving stations. In a modern facility, workers and machines collaborate to process fresh fruits. Sliced fruits are then arranged neatly by hand. Small trolleys transport the fruits efficiently to the next station. Workers taste samples to ensure quality. In this high-tech kitchen, fresh produce is washed and sliced with precision. Sliced fruits and vegetables are arranged efficiently on trays. Workers then load the trays onto mobile trolleys. The trolleys transport the produce to other stations seamlessly. Fruits are transported on conveyor belts. Automated machines slice and peel the fruit. Workers arrange the fruit and sample the results. Serving carts deliver the fruit to stations. High-tech machinery slices fresh fruits with precision. Workers then wash and arrange the produce. Finally, carts transport the sliced fruits to serving areas. The automated conveyor belt transports fresh produce to the slicing station. Workers precisely slice and arrange the fruits into trays. The carts are then transported through the facility for packaging and speed. In this modern kitchen, apples and mangoes are precisely sliced and peeled. Workers arrange the fresh cuts into trays for efficient service. The prepared fruit is then transported via trolleys to the next station. The fruits are first washed in this automated machine. Workers then slice and arrange the fruit on plates. Small carts transport the slices to the serving area. A high-tech, efficient workflow. Fruits are precisely sliced and washed in a continuous flow. The slices are then arranged neatly on trays. Workers place the trays onto trolleys for transport. Trolleys are then moved to the serving areas. Fruits are washed and precisely sliced by automated machines. Workers then arrange the fresh slices into trays. Trolleys transport the arrangements to serving stations. This high-tech process ensures efficiency and quality. In this high-tech kitchen, fruits are processed with incredible efficiency. Mangoes and cherries are precisely sliced and peeled by automated machines. Workers arrange the fruits into trays, which are then loaded on trolleys. The trolleys move the fruit to serving area, completing the workflow. The process begins with fresh produce being sorted and washed. Next, apples and mangoes are precisely arranged on trays. Workers oversee machines that slice the fruits are transported for packaging. In this high-tech kitchen, fruits are prepared with precision. Slicing and peeling machines process fruits rapidly. Workers arrange the fresh slices onto trays. The trays are moved efficiently to carts. High-tech machines efficiently slice fresh fruits. Workers arrange the slices into trays. The trays are loaded onto trolleys for transport. Trolleys transport the fruit to the serving area. High-tech slicers process fresh fruits with precision. Workers arrange the slices into trays efficiently. Trolleys transport the trays smoothly through the facility. The system delivers fresh fruit to the serving area. In this high-tech facility, fruits are washed, sliced, and transported with remarkable efficiency. Automated systems arrange the fresh slices. Trolleys then penetrate the seamless workflow. In this high-tech kitchen, efficient machinery and skilled workers transform fresh produce into perfectly prepared ingredients. Sliced mangoes and apples storage. The trolleys move the finished product to storage racks, completing the efficient process. High-tech machines slice fresh fruit with precision, using water jets to keep them clean. The sliced pieces are then neatly arranged on trays, ready for transport. Trolleys efficiently move the trays across the kitchen to survey of fresh fruit. High-tech machines slice fresh mangoes, apples, and cherries with precision. Workers then arrange the slices neatly on trays. The fruit is transported on trolleys to the next station. Finally, the trays are delivered, ready for serving. In this high-tech kitchen, the efficient workflow transforms fresh produce into prepared ingredients. Precision tools and trained workers, the prepared fruits are then swiftly transported to storage. This system streamlines the process from raw to ready. In this high-tech kitchen, robotic systems peel and slice fruits with precision. Workers then sort the prepared fruits onto trays. The trays are moved to storage on trolleys, completing the efficient workflow. This high-tech facility efficiently processes fresh fruit. Automated machines peel and slice the fruit with precision. Workers then arrange the slices neatly on trays. Trolleys transport the trays to the storage area. In this modern kitchen, high-tech machines slice fruits with precision. Workers carefully peel and slice mangoes by hand. Cherries are then arranged neatly on trays. The trays move to storage racks. In this high-tech kitchen, automated machines slice fresh apples and cherries. Water sprays ensure cleanliness as the fruits are prepared. Workers then push the trays onto trolleys for transport. This efficient process delivers fresh fruit slices. Here, automated slicers process apples and cherries with precision. Workers then arrange the slices onto trays for transport. This efficient system ensures fresh fruit is ready for service. This high-tech kitchen uses automated machines to efficiently slice fresh apples and cherries. Robotic arms precisely peel and cut the fruit. Workers then push the trolleys along the assembly line. The sliced fruit is transported to serving counters for distribution. In this high-tech facility, multiple fruits are processed simultaneously with precision. Sliced mangoes and apples are arranged on trays with meticulous care. Trays are then transported on trolleys to the next stage. This ensures a fresh, efficient supply for storage and distribution. In this high-tech kitchen, automated machines peel and slice fresh fruits with precision. Cherries, apples, and mangoes are arranged on trays for efficient transport. Trolleys move the trays smoothly through the facility. Finally, they are stored on these racks, ready for distribution. In this high-tech kitchen, automated machines peel and slice fresh fruits with precision. The fruit is arranged on trays efficiently through the facility. Finally, the trays are stored on racks for distribution. In this high-tech kitchen, automated machines peel and slice fresh fruits with precision. Workers arrange the sliced cherries, apples, and then load onto trolleys and moved efficiently through the facility. Finally, they are stored on racks, ready for the next stage. In this high-tech kitchen, fruits are peeled and sliced with precision. The fruits are then arranged on trays for transport. Workers move the trays on trolleys to the serving area. This efficient system ensures fresh, high-quality service. Freshly sliced fruits are carefully arranged on trays by hand to ensure quality. The trays are then loaded onto trolleys for efficient transport to storage. This system minimizes handling and preserves freshness at scale. This high-tech kitchen uses machines and workers to efficiently peel, slice, and sort fresh fruits. The process ensures quality and speed in preparing the produce. The fruits are then arranged on trays and moved to storage. In this automated kitchen, machines peel and slice mangoes with precision. Apples and cherries are arranged on trays by robots. Transport trolleys then carry the fresh fruit to storage. This efficient system minimizes waste and maximizes freshness. In this modern facility, fresh fruits are efficiently handled and processed. Workers supervise the slicing of mangoes, cherries, and apples. Sliced fruits are quickly moved to storage racks. Trolleys transport them to the delivery area. In this high-tech kitchen, automated systems slice fresh fruits with precision. The fruits are then neatly arranged on trays for optimal presentation. Trolleys transport the trays efficiently through the facility. Finally, the fruits are stored in organized racks, completing the process. In this high-tech kitchen, advanced slicing machines precisely cut fresh fruits. These trays are then transported efficiently on trolleys to storage racks, streamlining the entire process. This automated workflow ensures high quality and productivity.